and thought, hey, we can get that thing. With my knee go to but the tiger is in the way. The tiger will eat the monkey. But we could let him play this ball, or he could just sleep. Yep, I'll just have a big bird on the tiger. Present this way, yeah. When I press these, it'll user these things. And when I press it'll type this word. So this is the big one until safe tiger. And the sixth one is return. I'll tell later what the return means. Return the pick up till for now. A sleeping. Or what? Or playing. And then return. So basically, so I do that and you return to me but make some progress with it. Then return. Yeah. That's what the return means. And when we know what to type here. Actually, sleeping or playing. Then when he's doing those, he's not focused on us, so we could just hit this banana over here. I'll just type or Clicking. This is it. Wait. That guy. Focusing on my friends now. Cool.